How to use My Eyes Only on Snapchat. My Eyes Only is a feature on Snapchat that allows you to keep your photos and videos private by storing them in a password protected section of the app. It is available in Snapchat memory section, providing extra privacy for sensitive content. Launch your Snapchat app on your device. And you have to log in if you are not logging into your account. And here you have to tap on your camera, and after that go for your memory option. Once you are on your memory option, in the memory section you can see your videos or photos. Just go for that, and after that here you have to tap on the three dot. So here you have to just go for the export option. So just tap on the three dot, and here you can find the hide snap. So just tap on the hide snap option. So after hiding your snap, just go for the My Eyes Only, and you have to write your password. After writing your password, here you will find your hide snap on your My Eyes Only. Just go for your home and find that snap here. Just go for the three dot and go for the hide snap. So that's it. Now you are all set up to use your My Eyes Only on your Snapchat like this. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.